Court is in session in cause number 330654. Case is style of State of Texas versus Belinda Jean.
James, I'm here. Belinda James.
Judge, can you hear us?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear us?
I can hear you, but I don't see the judge.
Yeah, I think he might have dropped from Zoom. We'll just sit here for a second and see if he comes back.
Okay.
Okay, we're back on. Okay, court is in session in cause number 330654. Case is style of State of Texas versus Belinda Jean James. We have Ms. James appearing via Zoom. Ms. James, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing, Ms. James?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. And Ms. James, thanks for being patient with us. Ms. James,
Sure.
you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Jared Gilthorpe. Attorney Gilthorpe, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gilthorpe, what is your announcement in Ms. James' case?
Judge, I've spoken with the prosecutor about this case, and we have reached an agreement. I'm in Houston with the feds this morning, and so we'd like to set it on a date that I'm available, and we'd like to go ahead and plead this case.
Give us a reset date for a plea. October 10th. Okay, it's going to be reset to October 10th of 2022. Ms. James, your attorney will be given a notice of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney. Again, that date is October 10th of 2022. And if it's going to be a plea, you have to appear here in person.
Okay.
And again, Ms. James, thanks for being patient with us. We've had some technical difficulties with our Zoom. And
Not
so,
a problem.
okay, Ms. James, you're free to go, and you
Okay.
have a blessed day.
Thanks. You too.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. And Mr. Gilthorpe, I'm looking to see if you have any other cases.
I believe that's my only case on your docket this morning.
Yes. Okay, Mr. Gilthorpe, you're free to go. Again, thanks for being patient with us as well. You're free to
No
go,
worries, sir.
and you have a blessed day.
You too, Judge.
All right. Destiny Robertson. How you doing, Miss Robertson? Okay, now, Miss Robertson, this is cause number 329058, case of South State of Texas versus Destiny Robertson. Ms. Robertson, I see here that you are represented in this case by Attorney Peter Doyle. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we've tried to contact Mr. Doyle, been unsuccessful.
Yes, I've been trying to contact him for a month now, and he doesn't answer the phone, leave voicemail. And, when I do get him on the phone, he says that, he's calling back, he never does.
Okay, so Miss Robertson, what we're gonna do, we're gonna appoint you another attorney. In this case, that attorney is Attorney Langston Adams. Our court coordinator is gonna give you that information on how to contact Mr. Adams. And Mr. Adams will be given information on how to contact you as well. You're gonna stand on the X in front of our coordinator. Sorry for your inconvenience. Thanks for being patient with us. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day.
And I'm putting this in the child director, Jay.
No, you're gonna have to put it on the not, because the attorney has to, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Richard Anthony Abear or Hebert, would you come forward, Mr. Abear? This is cause number 330186. Case is style of state of Texas versus Richard Anthony Abear. Mr. Abear, how you doing?
Pretty good.
I'm doing fine, Mr. Abear. And Mr. Abear, you're represented in this case by your attorney, Peter Doyle. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Peter Doyle has not made an appearance here today. We've tried to contact his office. We hadn't got a response. And so what we're going to do in this case is reappoint you another attorney to represent you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
I can't get off the meeting.
Okay.
I've tried numerous times. I haven't spoken to him since December.
Okay. Now, Mr. Abear, your next attorney, or the attorney that's being appointed to represent you in this case, is Attorney Terrence Allison. And you will be given information on how to contact Mr. Allison. Mr. Allison also will be given information on how to contact you. Now, you're gonna have a seat in that chair with the black and yellow tape. And once our court coordinator is ready for you, you're gonna go to her and she's gonna reset your case. And again, thanks for being patient with us and sorry for your inconvenience. All right.
You should be contacting me at this number within 24 hours. Thank you.
Byron Perry, cause numbers 331006, cause number 331008. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Byron Paul Perry. Mr. Perry, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Perry?
Doing well, Michelle.
I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Perry, you are also represented by attorney Peter Doyle. And have you talked?
No, sir, not since I was last in court.
And when was that?
Uh,
I see a note here back in April.
yes, sir. That's something correct.
Okay. Now, he hasn't made an appearance, and so what the court is going to do is court is going to appoint another attorney to represent you.
Yes, sir.
Actually, that attorney next on the list is attorney Don Boudreaux. Actually, Mr. Boudreaux was here earlier, and so you'll be appointed Don Boudreaux to represent you in these two cases. Now, Mr. Perry, Mr. Boudreaux will be given information on how to contact you, and you'll also be given information on how to contact him. Our court coordinator is going to reset your case to give you an opportunity to make contact with Mr. Boudreaux. And this case will be reset. It's going to be placed on what is called an announcement docket, so that Mr. Boudreaux can prepare to interview you and then announce to the court what you're going to do in this here case. And again, sorry for your inconvenience. Thanks for being patient with us. Just have a seat in the chair with the black and yellow tape. And once our court coordinator is ready for you, she can ask you to step up to her chair, and your case will be reset.
Yes, sir.
All right,
Thank
and
you.
you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Your person is Terrence Allison. It should be contacting this number within 24 hours. If he does not, have this number in the next couple of
Okay. Court is in session and calls number 329184, case of Solid State of Texas versus Cedric Gordon or Cedric Juan Gordon. Cedric Juan Gordon was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's trial docket at 9 a.m. on the day's date of August 1st of 2022. At or about 9 a.m., the court's barely called the name of Cedric Gordon's name at the courthouse door. Cedric Gordon did not answer. Cedric Gordon has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. His attorney Joe Vasquez has appeared in court. The time now is 11:25 a.m. on the day's date. Mr. Bailey, could you please call the name of Cedric Gordon at the courthouse door? Okay, Cedric Gordon's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Cedric Gordon did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Gordon an opportunity to appear in court. Mr. Gordon has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state moves for bond.
A motion will be granted. Cedric Gordon's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 329184. And Mr. Vasquez, you're free to go. You're able to get in contact with your client by 4 p.m. Please notify the court, and then you can make an appearance by phone or Zoom or in person. All right. You have a blessed day.
You too, Judge.
All right. All right. Same to you.